Welcome to the NoHatHacker.com video about HawkEye, a superior pen testing tool. In this video we will overview HawkEye's superior capabilities and how they make your pen testing, not only easy, but tremendously professional. The first panel allows you to choose the settings for your initial network and vulnerability assessment. From the network range, the scanner engine, you can choose internal, Nmap or both. HawkEye allows you to automatically include 13,419 nuclei templates. Advanced scanning options include Enhanced DAST, Katana Crawler, NICTO's over 6,800 templates, NVD Database Check, OpenDAS, and its over 80,000 NVTs. HawkEye includes a direct content management system vulnerability assessment for Joomla, Drupal, and WordPress. Added to that, it allows you to trigger a headless browser engine to simulate DOM, cross-site scripting, CSTI, JWT, SPA, post-message, and prototype pollution attack vulnerability assessments. You can set up parallel or sequential execution for the scenarios you need, speed over stealth. It includes an OSVDev dependency scanning, supply chain attack vulnerability, allowing you to point to a codebase on local disk. And that is not all. There is also an authentication form abuse with data extraction and injection attempts, an OOB blind detection scan, and even a subdomain enumeration scanner. The first run is an initial assessment to allow you to focus the attention of your scan. Then you fire away and wait for results that appear on the right and are all committed to database for the report. The next tab is quite the rush. HawkEye is, as stated, an advanced tool. So the next phase is to scan the network traffic for anomalies. The resulting report will scan for and indicate rogue network addressing within your physical network, rogue VLANs on your physical network. Map your network graphically and map the discoveries from the previous analysis to this. Evidently there is a deeper mode. This can search for a rogue gateway and find it. I'll take some time to help you reason. How many pen tests have you seen that search for network detection avoidance and rogue gateways? But the scenario is very real. Imagine that the WannaCry attack, instead of miscoordinated, established a rogue addressing to proliferate on the network and then, synchronized to the second, all machines went dark and encrypted? How many more networks ANS machines would have been infected by poorly configured switches bleeding VLANs all over the network? Imagine that the NoHatHacker used a NRF24 attack and, from the distance, injected a RAT on a vulnerable machine, and configures the wireless to always route to a close 5G router on extended battery. Your network scanners would never see that machine routing out, bleeding information out of your company. HawkEye does not miss that. It was built by hacker for real advanced attack scenarios detection in pen test. You just can't beat that. You can choose to pursue the discovered VLANs and rogue networks and see where that rabbit hole takes you. It's up to you to decide. Now comes the cherry on top of our already delicious cake. The pain on all pen tests. True or false positive? The list of detected vulnerabilities is available for you to automate the test or manually control it with the assistance of HawkEye to configure the attack payload and scenario. Hitting verify makes an automated attack that can be conclusive or not. If inconclusive, the system alerts and you are able to perform the attack manually. In this case, it was a false positive, as the Metasploit attack indicates, and we mark it. In some cases the inconclusive result is just an indicator that further testing is required and the fully automated routine was not successful, but it does not mean the machine is not vulnerable. Some, however, are very conclusive and we can mark them so. All of this data is being stored in the database for the report. A small network detailed report can be made and exported at this time. Then we get to the risk assessment part. How many times have you heard that a vulnerability is known but the fact that it is on an internal network, it is not important? Well, hackers don't think like that. Welcome to the chain attack mode. The third tab. Are you suspicious of a weird behavior of some machine in your network? Well, establish DNS or routing rule and start up the canaries. Then watch the alerts of suspicious activity trigger. Yes, that evidence is collected and into the report. Then we can see the suggestion of leverage of vulnerabilities discovered into the chained attack mode. This is when that initial phrase, known but we will ignore, may become a full-blown risk proven not to be ignored. How do hackers chain vulnerabilities to reach a goal? Well, you can run the course using HawkEye to auto-configure the Metasploit environment for you and guide you through the steps. Ever seen other tools do this? It was a rhetorical question, no need to answer. There is more, a lot more. See those LinkedIn posts claiming that some new tool allows AI pen testing. So does HawkEye. Need automation intelligent behavior of scenario usage? Agentic mode? HawkEye allows you to use internal and external AI models. You can even use them all at once and ask for a consensus. Yes, a meeting of AI pen testers working for you. Find me one tool that does this. Don't bother. HawkEye is enough. Build software? Have fears of low-code quality coming back to bite you in the future? Fear supply chain attacks from all those thousands of free libraries you used? Fear not. HawkEye has a tab just for this purpose. You can audit the code or task coding sidekick to audit for you and find bad coding practices, bad code protection practices, vulnerabilities, injection points, and of course the same supply chain security assessment form the first page. Point to repo and go. You can then use the CVE Detail Explorer to learn more about the detected CVE. You can also browse the MITRE and attack coverage and impact assessment. There is no need to juggle web pages and tens of windows, you can do everything in HawkEye. You can also use the Scenario Builder to create attack chain scenarios. You can test as you go and fetch POC from the known CVE POCs and adapt to a more serious scenario. This is where all those unknowns from the false positive detection get ironed out. And evidently they can go into the report. Automated kill chain scenarios instruct you on how to, step by step, conduct a successful attack. This is on you, you can break machines and it's up to you and your customer to accept that risk. HawkEye holds your hand through the process, but you have to accept the risk and click. The final tab is the report. You can generate the report but also chain the report into project management tools for actions generation. Look at that beauty. Ever seen a better pen test report? No? That's because you're not using HawkEye. HawkEye from the nohathacker.com, built by professionals for professionals.